What's up, y'all? We're working on a new project. This is a renovation of a backyard workshop. It's in the backyard of this house, which is a 1920s tobacco house in the south. And this was built as a workshop, probably in the 30s or something. We're reinventing, reimagining what used to be a man cave now into a she shed. So you don't even want to know what's going to happen in here. So much magical witchy stuff. Today is demolition day. We're just getting it down to a blank slate. So we've already removed some stairs. There was a bunch of garbage in here. I mean, not garbage. We did try to save some stuff. There's this cool fan that we saved, a pencil sharpener. Does anybody want this? I'll sell it to you on eBay. But we really do try to avoid just throwing everything into the landfill. So we posted all the demolition materials onto Craigslist. There was someone who just moved into the area, wanted to build out his workshop. So he took everything, all the shelving, cabinetry. So we were very excited about keeping those demolition materials in use. And we took out this window. There was like all sorts of air conditioning. An oil furnace actually was in here, which is right here. It's really cute. Oops. And let me show you what our vision is. So this is going to be like a little backyard oasis. And on this level will be like cute Airbnb vibes, maybe a bed, maybe a little like loungy area with a table. We're going to open this wall up so you can see to down below. And on this level, we got the concrete floors. It's more utility space. We're gonna have a little kitchenette sink area over here with like a tile backsplash and open to that room up there. Then here will be an infrared sauna. Yes. With French doors going out to a back patio. This little bathtub in there. We're gonna use it as a sink. Imagine with a little brass vintage faucet coming out. And actually this door was used as a tabletop in there. But now that I'm thinking about it, this would be a super cute backsplash to the sink. So scratch the whole tile idea, we're gonna use this door. With a faucet coming out of it into the sink. Oh! It's so cute!
It's like so dirty.
but you know, you can imagine. Just look past the dirt. We all are covered in dirt, you know, one way or another.
That's true.
You gotta see what's underneath.
See the potential.
Yeah. This was part of the intercom system. Homeboy would be like, hey wifey, I'm coming in at 15. Can you make me some chicken noodle soup? But now, we're gonna be like, hey Veronica, I'm having a ceremony. Will you come over? And I don't know. But this is such a cute little moment. He had his friend's numbers on here. Milton, 477-4207. I wonder if Milton's still around. So yeah, you can't even imagine how many hooks this guy had in here. I don't know what he was hanging, but he's had a lot of tools, and we're going for a little bit more of a clean look. So we're gonna take down all the drywall, leave the wood ceiling, and hopefully find some reclaimed wood to cover the walls with after we insulate. Probably like a horizontal wood wall with a white, like rustic finish on them.
Kind of like the backside.
Exactly. So this was originally the exterior of this she shed. This is the siding that's on the outside underneath the shakes. And we think this was a porch down here, and he just enclosed this area at some point to expand his workshop. And there were just workbenches out the wazoo. Like every wall had a workbench on it. So he was building some serious projects in here. This is gonna be French doors going out to the back. Eventually build a deck off the back with a soaking tub. Probably like a cedar natural soaking tub. And then we'll have the French doors. We'll have to cut into the foundation a little bit, but that'll open up onto the back. It's a pretty secluded corner, even though it's a tight neighborhood. We got plenty of vegetation, lots of blooming trees and blooming bushes in the springtime, so I'm excited to see that happen. And now it's just about taking trash out. Vision is in the works. Today is day 1. Stay tuned to see what happens.